If I just can add, habang ongoing sir yung validation nitong 30,000 flood control projects, ang isa pong direction ni Secretary is i-map out na po itong 30,000 na to para pong makita po natin ano po pa yung gaps na pwedeng paglagyan in the future po. Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, relevant question. Will you deal now with the substandard and ghost projects? Nandiyan yan.
Yes po.
Anong pondo gagamitin nyo para i-correct yung naging substandard? Palagi ko, mas mahirap gawin yung substandard kasi aayusin pa yan. Kesa doon sa ghost, that's another
Yes, Your
problem
Honor.
altogether. How will you deal with it? Saan kayo kukuha ng pondo?
Diyan po, isa pong example tungkol sa Kalumpit, Bulacan, Your Honor. Pinuntahan po namin ni Secretary yan and doon po talagang may mga ghost projects. The problem about it, sir, Your Honor, is tama po yun na may mga ghost po doon. Ngayon po, ang pina-find out, paano pa rin po malalagyan ng flood control project ang mga to para hindi naman po talaga maapektuhan araw-araw yung mga residente po doon sa barangay na yun.
Tanong ko pa rin, saan kayo kukuha ng pondo? Wala na sa item yan ng 2026.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Chair.
So how will you deal with it?
Ito po is going forward sa 2027 onwards, Your Honor.
In the meantime, bahain na muna yung mga taga Bulacan.
If I may, Mr. Chair.
Mr.
Chair, actually, we will have to confer with DBM. We have savings from 2025. And we intend to
Ang
augment
savings
those
ninyo
savings.
nasa mga 50 billion.
Tama po,
This is
Mr.
according
Chair.
to Secretary Vince
Yes,
Dizon.
Mr. Chair. Ang issue lang po namin,
Anyway,
Sorry.
as per Supreme Court ruling, di ba? Yung executive, within the respective offices, executive, legislative, judiciary, pwede silang, or even the constitutional offices, pwede mag-realign from savings.
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
So, tama, you have to deal with DBM and the President eventually. So, para ma-realign, para magamit din sa mga project na nakatiwangwang.
That is the
Thank
intention,
you,
Mr. Chair.
Senator Win.
Thank you po.